This is A10 coming back at you. I'm doing a review tonight on the new munchies. See, munchies, totally ranch. I mean, I've never had them. I've never tried them. So let's get into this. Let me flip this camera around. Let's get into this and let's see how they are. All right, here we go. Get into it. Smell like ranch. Smell very good. Here we go. I'll take you inside the bag. Good ranch. It's a good smell. Let's try this. Let's get in there. Going in for first bite. Alright, second bite. Tastes like I had a little Dorito ranch, Cool Ranch Dorito in there. Like a Frito type deal. Let's see what else we got. Pretzel tastes like a pretzel. Oh, yeah, Sun Chips, Doritos, pretzels, and Fritos in it. So I was right. That was good. Alright, I won't make it short, but subscribe to down at the bottom. That's it. Thumbs up if you like the video. And I'm out.